He wanted AC for free, so he turned his fridge into a DIY air conditioner. So there's this guy melting in his apartment because it's 32 degrees Celsius inside, and he refuses to buy an AC unit. He Googles cheap ways to cool a room. One cursed comment says, just open your fridge. But he wants maximum cold, so he takes it a step further. He pulls the fridge away from the wall, turns it backwards, and points the hot coils toward the room. He says, it's like AC, but smarter. 5 minutes later, the room is hotter, much hotter. He stands there sweating, confused, saying, why is my cold machine making more heat? Then the fridge compressor starts making a noise no fridge should ever make. Bzz zzz zzz t clunk wheeze. Lights flicker, the fridge shuts off, and the room now feels like a sauna designed by a caveman engineer. He posts online, my fridge is broken after I used it as an air conditioner. Warranty should cover this, right? He tried to cool the room and upgraded it to hell mode.